In this video, I'm going to show how to merge a deleted instance back into a generic that's managed in windchill. In this particular case, we have two versions of the generic, an older version A.1 that references two instances, pin_inst1 and pin_inst2, and a later version A.2 of the generic that references only pin_inst1. We are going to merge pin_inst2 back into a new iteration of the generic. The first step is to select the generic in the common space. Select the Add to Workspace action. Under Checkout, select Initially Selected and Modified, and select OK. The generic will be added to the workspace and checked out. At this point, we can browse to the version of the instance we're wanting to add back into the family. We'll select the Miscellaneous folder. We'll select pin_inst2, A.1 in the common space. Add to Workspace action. We'll select the Advanced Collector tab. Select the instance in the table and select the Set Selected Objects for Checkout button and select OK. The operation will fail with a conflict. The conflict, however, is overridable. We'll select Event Management. You'll note that it fails with, again, an overridable conflict. We'll select Resolve Conflicts. In Conflict Management, note that the Merge this instance into generic retry option is available. Select Retry. At this point, the Add to Workspace of that instance has completed. We can close Event Management, refresh the workspace, and note that both the generic and instance are listed in the workspace as checked out. Now, optionally, we can open the generic or family in Session, select Tools, Family Table, and note that both instances are in fact listed as residing in the family table once again. We can browse back to the workspace, select both the generic and instance in the workspace, select the check-in action, and finish. Note that these steps can be done in either Creo or a standalone browser, but it's best done in Creo as the family can be brought into session and validated before checking back in. Optionally, we can go to the information page for the family, select the common space. The family tree report shows both the instance and generic as both, again, residing in the latest version.